in your own kitchen. I think that's my thing. I like saying that you make at home in your own kitchen. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 5 ways that you can start making some passive income or semi-passive income by making DIY skincare and hair care products at home in your own kitchen, right? DIY at home, do it yourself in your own kitchen. All right, so let's get into these topics. But first, if you are new here, I'm Renee, and here on my channel, I make DIY skin and hair care products, and I share some of my recipes. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I create a new video. Let's go ahead and get into the 5 ways that you can make some passive income, or like I said, semi-passive income by making DIY skincare and hair care. So guys, the first way that I am a true believer in, and I know because this has worked for me. So yes, I'm sharing information that has worked for me with you, because clearly if it worked for me, then it can work for anybody. So the first way that you can make some passive income by making DIY skincare and hair care products is by creating a blog. Yes, you may be like, a blog? I don't want to create a blog. Well, it is super easy to create a blog, and I highly recommend it. Why? Because I have one, and I have been able to accumulate some income from my blog. So you're probably wondering, are blogs still relevant? Do people still actually have blogs? I am here to tell you that they are still relevant, and a ton of people still have blogs, and a ton of people are still making a lot of money from having a blog. And today it really is super easy to create a blog. So of course you can use a platform like WordPress, which is a platform that I use. However, there are so many other platforms that you can use. So if you enjoy writing, which I do, which was one of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and create a blog, and you like, just sharing information, sharing knowledge with people, then I highly recommend that you create a blog. And then in a little bit, I'll get into how you can actually make money from your blog that is relatively passive income. So let's move on to the second way that you can start making some passive income from creating DIY skincare and hair care products. So the second way, and this is no secret because I'm here, you're here, is to create a YouTube channel. Yes, you may be thinking, creating a YouTube channel, I cannot sit in front of a camera and talk to people. Oh no, that scares me. Guys, there is no need to be scared. You can actually practice on camera before you even publish your videos. So you can honestly perfect being good on camera before you make any YouTube videos live for people to see. So yeah, I would just start around the house with a camera, walking around, talking to the camera like you're talking to your friends, your family, and that way you get really comfortable on camera. However, if you are just completely against being on camera, you don't even have to be on camera these days. You can create a faceless YouTube channel. And honestly, you can do this in whatever niche you like. So yes, it can certainly be DIY skincare and hair care products. However, if that is not your DIY area, maybe you sew. Maybe you have other crafting DIY projects that you do. Maybe you're a lifestylist. Who knows? Whatever your DIY passion is, you can make a YouTube channel for it, and your audience will come. There is normally people out there who are into all kinds of DIY projects, and they are probably looking for content that is not there, and you could actually be the person to create the content for that audience. Yes, guys, creating a YouTube channel is one of the ways that you can make passive income while you sleep. By creating a YouTube channel, that just means that you are creating evergreen content. And basically what evergreen content means is that as long as someone is coming to YouTube, to your channel to watch your video, then you will continue to make money from that video as long as someone is watching it. So that's just kind of like making passive income while you sleep. That sounds so good. So yes, making a YouTube channel, having a YouTube channel is an excellent way to make some additional income, passive income with your DIY skincare and hair care products or any DIY projects that you decide to create. And another thing with YouTube is that if you go ahead and create your blog as well, then you can send traffic from your YouTube channel over to your blog. And that is going to increase your income. And again, I'm going to tell you how you will be making money from your blog in just a moment. So guys, if you have never actually been to my blog, then I highly recommend that you go over there, especially if you create DIY skincare and hair care, which is why I think you're probably on this channel. Anyway, you can head over to my blog. I have a ton of free skincare and hair care recipes, along with some other topics on my website that you can start learning from. Or if you've been looking for a particular recipe and you haven't been able to find it, then I might just have it on my website over on my blog. And my blog is beautyrove.com. So don't forget to check it out after you're done watching this video. So let's move on to the third way that you can make some passive income from your DIY skincare and hair care. So the third way is to become an affiliate. So there are a ton of affiliate programs out there that you can join. So Amazon is one of the more popular affiliate programs that you can join. I am a part of the Amazon affiliate program. I do have an Amazon storefront as well, where I share a lot of the DIY skincare ingredients that I use or that are very similar to ones that I use. And you can also go check out my Amazon storefront. I will drop a link in the description box below for that. Affiliate programs are an amazing way to create some passive income for yourself. So like I mentioned a little while ago, I would tell you how you can actually make money from affiliate programs. So an easy way to make money from affiliate programs, and I do this as well, is to have a blog, then also have a YouTube channel, which I have both of those. And then you can place links from your affiliate programs that you're in the description box on your YouTube channel. And you can also place links over on your blog. And this will help people to find products that they're looking for, products that you're sharing with them in order to help them create their DIY skincare and hair care. Or like I said, if you are creating another type of DIY niche, then you can place links that will help people to find the products that they're looking for. And honestly, that is so convenient because no one wants to be searching around for a product that you have just told them about and they cannot find it. I do have sometimes people ask me in the comments, you know, where can I find this product? And I really try to post the links so that my audience can find the products that I talk about. And like I said, because Amazon is one of the most popular programs, it is also relatively easy to join. You just have to have a certain amount of visitors to any of the social media sites that you may have. It doesn't have to be a lot at this exact moment. I can't really remember what the number is, but that information is pretty easy to find online as well. So yes, affiliate marketing is one of the great ways to create some passive income. It may not be much at first. However, the more your audience grows and the more people that click on your affiliate links, then the more money you're going to make. So we have just talked about 3 relatively passive income streams. Yes, you do have to do a little bit of work before it can become like completely passive, but it certainly is possible. So let's move on to the 4th way that you can actually create some passive income for yourself. So with this particular stream of income, you do have to put in a little bit of work up front, which, you know, shouldn't be a problem. Like if you want to make some additional money, then put in a little bit of work up front to get, you know, the reward or the payoff at the end. So the 4th way to create some passive income is to create digital products. So yes, you may be thinking, okay, this is a lot. I have to create a blog. I have to create a YouTube channel. I have to create affiliate links. I have to create digital products. Once you start raking in the cash, you're going to be so happy that you decided to create these multiple streams of income for yourself. So with digital products, you can actually create products that are related to your niche. So with your digital products, they are going to be products that really help your audience in some way. They're going to solve a problem for your audience. Yes, people want their problems to be solved. So of course there is an audience for digital products, people who, you know, are looking for solutions to their problems, and your job is just to help them find the solution. So you can create ebooks, you can create mini courses, you can create larger courses. It's completely up to you. There are toolkits that you can create and sell, and you can sell these on your website or your blog. You can also drop links to your digital products in the description box here on YouTube. So there are so many ways. And actually, if you decide, oh, you know, I don't want to start a YouTube channel, I don't want to start a blog, there are still ways that you can actually create digital products and market them to your particular audience. So creating digital products is a really easy way to create some income for yourself. You just have to know how to market it to your audience. So that is the 4th way that you can create some passive income for yourself. Well, that one is pretty semi-passive because you do have to do some work up front before you start reaping in the cash. So let's move on to the 5th way that you can actually make some passive income from your DIY skincare and hair care products that you create at home in your own kitchen. So while you're creating these products, you're also writing down your recipes. So one of the easy ways to make some money would be to create a recipe book from your recipes, from your DIY skincare and hair care recipes. These days, it is super easy to create a recipe book. You can really like self-publish it yourself. There are a ton of different platforms that you can use to create a recipe book. So creating a recipe book is something that your audience would probably love if you're into DIY skincare and hair care. Now, if you're in another niche, another DIY niche, that can also be something that your audience would love. Just say, for instance, if you make, I don't know, maybe you're into woodwork. Who knows? But that is one way that you would be able to create some passive income, because once you put all of your recipes in a book and then you put it on a platform in order to sell it, as long as you're marketing it, it will sell over and over and over again. All you have to do is, of course, find your audience. So I have just shared with you 5 super simple ways to make some passive income from your DIY skincare and hair care products that you make at home in your own kitchen. I think that's my thing. I like saying that you make at home in your own kitchen. Anyway, yes, I have just shared 5 ways that you can make some passive income. So let's go over them quickly one more time. So you can make passive income from starting a blog. You can also start a YouTube channel. Then you can join affiliate programs. From there, you can create digital products, and you can also create a recipe book of your DIY skincare and hair care recipes. So those sound like some pretty good passive income ideas to me. Those are ideas that I wanted to share with you. Those are also ideas that I have implemented myself, and I know that they work. So I love sharing this type of content with you guys. So if you enjoy this type of content, please drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know. Also, don't forget to head over to my website where, again, I have a ton of resources and recipes to help you along your DIY skincare and hair care journey. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. Did you subscribe? All right, so yes, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I create a new video. Give this video a thumbs up. Please share this video with everyone you know. I want to thank everyone who has supported me along my journey in order to get to over 60,000 subscribers. So I'm so grateful for everyone who's tuned in and watched my videos and who have also made some of the recipes and have enjoyed making the recipes. So guys, this was so much fun. I hope this information was super helpful for you, and I do hope that you implement some of these ideas that I have just shared with you. Also, there will be some links in the description box below. One of the links is also a free skincare ingredient guide that you can pick up, and this ingredient guide is perfect if you are new to making skincare and hair care DIYs and you don't know where to start. You don't know what ingredients to use. Check that out. And also, one of the digital products that I do have on my blog is to make body butter. So guys, if you love making body butter, or if you want to learn how to make body butter, you can also click the link in the description box below for that guide. So guys, this has been so much fun. If you stuck around to the end of the video, thanks so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.